Use photos that have nothing to do with your products or services, but that convey the feeling and attitude behind your brand. Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. Social media marketing hack number 12 is to use photos that have nothing to do with your products or services, but that convey the feeling and attitude behind your brand. Always posting pictures of your products and services is okay. However, other social media users might find this monotonous and boring. This new strategy has worked for many internet promoters and marketers. For example, Starbucks shares photos on Instagram to link their brand with sunshine. Every time they post images of their products, they post different images of the sun to associate their brand with brightness, warmth, and friendliness. Why not try something different, like posting pictures that have totally nothing to do with the brand you're promoting, but instead convey feelings and attitudes for your brand? To stay connected to me, subscribe and hit the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, life is good.